Kingston, where is the elephant? Where's the elephant? Good job. There's the elephant. Where is the monkey? Do you see the monkey? Where's the monkey? You see it? Where is it? Good job. There's the monkey. Kingston, where's the spider? Do you see a creepy crawly spider? There's the spider. Good job. Kingston, do you see a horse? Do you see the horsey? Where is it? Show Mama. There's the horse. Yeah. Do you see a frog? Where's the frog? Is that the frog? That's the frog. What about a fox? Do you see a fox? There's the fox. Do you see a bird? Do you see a red bird? Where's the cardinal, the red bird? There's the red bird. Good job. How about, is that a fish? You see the fish? What does a fish say? What does a fish say? Yeah, that's what a fish says. Do you see a bee? Where's a buzzing bee? Where is it? There it is. Nice. Do you see the bear? Where's the bear? Yeah, there's the bear. Do you see an otter? Where's an otter? Show Mama. There's the otter. What about a butterfly? Do you see a butterfly? Yeah, that's a pretty butterfly, huh? What about a tiger? Do you see a tiger? Roar. Good job. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Yeah, there's the kitty cat. Where's the doggy? Woof, woof. Where's the dog? Doggy. Where's the giraffe? Do you see a giraffe? Oh, is that dog? Yeah, that's dog. Good job. That's dog. There's the giraffe. Yeah. What about the cow? Do you see a moo cow? Moo cow. Moo. Can you say moo? Good job. What about a rabbit? Do you see a rabbit? Where's the rabbit? Where is it? Yeah. There's the bunny rabbit. Oh, you see the fish again? Are you doing the fish face? Yeah, that's what a fish says. Where's the elephant? Show Mommy the elephant. Can you hand it to me? What does the elephant say? Do you know what the elephant says? What does an elephant say? You playing with your piano? Can you sing into it?